अच्छा अभी
जी आई स्टार्ट।
जी अभी सवालों का सिलसिला शुरू होने वाला है। तो आप में से मैं सबसे पहले मदरसे के जो तालिब इल्म हैं उनसे गुजारिश करता हूं कि आप में से कोई ना उठे। हमारे जो मेहमान आए हुए हैं उनमें से अगर कोई चाहे तो सवाल कर सकता है, कोई भी सवाल कर सकता है। तो अगर माइक इंशाल्लाह आप तक पहुंचा दिया जाएगा। कोई भी मेहमान उठ के खड़े हो जाएं और आप सवाल करें या हाथ खड़ा करें तो आप तक माइक पहुंचा दिया जाएगा।
सवाल करना नहीं है, सवाल पूछना है, क्योंकि सवाल करना अल्लाह से होता है, पूछना किसी बंदे से होता है। सवाल आप पूछेंगे खड़े होके, ठीक है? स्टार्ट मैं करता हूँ, उसके बाद ताकि फिर आपकी झिझक भी दूर हो जाए, स्टार्ट मैं करता हूँ। प्लीज़ रेडी?
Yes, we are ready.
यस। हु इज़ द फर्स्ट मैन इन दिस यूनिवर्स? हु इज़ द फर्स्ट मैन इन दिस यूनिवर्स क्रिएटेड बाय ऑलमाइटी अल्लाह?
Adam alayhi salam is the first man in universe.
नहीं, नो क्लैपिंग एट ऑल बेटा। Say one sentence or two sentences about Tawheed. What is Tawheed?
Assalamu alaikum. Tawheed mean is that Allah is one. Allah is one who is the person. Allah is one only. Anybody? He has no partner and son.
बस बात खत्म हो गई कि तौहीद क्या है? Oneness of Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah is one in all respects. शाबाश. Okay. What is the meaning of Quran?
Quran is that book. No one book came from Quran, and no one book will come after the Quran. Quran is the honest book in this world. There is no book like.
Yes, शाबाश। ये बच्चा कहना चाह रहा था, अभी कह नहीं पाया था। Quran is the book which is recited again and again, again and again. This is Quran, okay? A book that is a kalam that is recited again and again. This is Quran. Yes, please. Which is the shortest surah in the Holy Quran? Shortest surah.
The shortest surah of Quran is Surah Kausar.
Which is the largest surah of the Holy Quran? Yes, please. Yes, yes. अब मैं बैठने लगा. Okay, okay. No.
Surah Baqarah is the large surah than all surah in the Holy Quran.
Okay. अब साथी शुरू हो जाए.
I want to say, first of all, when I was going to join this madrasa, in the village Karsa went, then I went with my parents to Karsa for taking admission in this madrasa. Then Karsa's son and some girls were eating food.
Yes. You will say something about Sir Imran Haider Sahib.
I want to say that my teacher is very good and I like him very much. I never foresaw the person like the Sir Imran Sahib, and he is very well teacher. And especially his method is very well, and I like him. There is no any method like it in the Pakistan, maybe in the whole world.
जी और कोई सवाल पूछना चाहे तो सवाल पूछ सकते हैं।
Yes, I like. Of course, I like, because they are also our brothers, and we should respect them, and we should behave with them good, and we should respect them. Without addition. Yes. It is this method that, as you learned, you don't know that when you were born, how did you learn your parents' language? Yes.
जी जी।
Assalamu alaikum. I want to say something. Anybody can give answer, no? So, in our days, in this environment, who is the real heroes in our life? Yeah, you can say that who is the best heroes in this situation, in this life? Who is the best heroes? Yeah. You want to say that? Yeah, you can.
First of all, very nice question you asked. I want to tell you who is the real heroes in our this environment. So listen, the real heroes in this environment is Madaris and ulama ikram and after that in the politician, the Maulana Fazlur Rahman is the hero in our real hero.
Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah.
जी
जी और कोई सवाल पूछना चाहे तो
ऐसे
पूछ
करें,
सकते हैं।
अगर क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले अभी ज़रा नहीं पूछ रहे, बच्चों से मोहब्बतन नहीं पूछ रहे, बच्चे खुद ही एक एक सेंटेंस बोल के बैठते जाएं।
My dear audience, I want to say that when my father said you should go to Jamia Huzaifa because there teach Sir Imran Haider Sahab, and when I asked to my father who is Sir Imran Haider and can he teach me with well way, and he said okay, first of all you should go, after that you see me he is well or not. When I took admission here and I learned from Sir Imran Haider and from Sir Imran Haider, and now I can speak English and I can write, I can speak, I can translate all things, and I can give all exam of world like CSS, IES, I can write all things and I can.
बस इस बच्चे का जो कॉन्फिडेंस वो कमाल है, शाबाश।
I have spent my last 22 years in this department in this Gujranwala teaching in English. But by God, I am saying again and again, you are greater than all of school in Gujranwala. There is
want to give comment or
Gujranwala, no one school is creating just like students. Excellent. Thanks for teacher.
Alhamdulillah, I learned from Sir Imran Haider Sahab English language. Alhamdulillah, I can speak English in front of all public, and I can listen any English language and I can understand, and I can write English and I can translate English in Urdu.
My all dear students, please, all we appreciate your knowledge. You are great people, you are great students. I do salute to your teachers as well as you and your parents also. Thank you very much. Please leave the stage because time is too short to listen to you. शाबाश, बिस्मिल्लाह, शाबाश। जी चाहता था कि हर एक को मौका मिले, लेकिन टाइम इज टू शॉर्ट टू लिसन टू यू प्लीज। और एक और बात बच्चों, इसमें आपने ये नहीं कहना हमें मौका नहीं मिला। हमारे बड़े कहते थे कि देग से दाना चखते होते हैं, सारी देग नहीं खाते होते। हमने तो कई दाने चख लिए हैं।